Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends. My YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. I introduce new and great ideas which are most beautiful and are different to each other. Let's come dear friends. I shared with you new and great ideas which are most beautiful and are different to each other. So friend, I shared with you beautiful and new and great serious ideas which are very beautiful to each other. Let's come dear friends. I introduce new and great ideas which are very beautiful to each other. So friend, you will begin different ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends, you will enjoy my ideas. These are very beautiful and unique ideas which I shared with you in this video. In this video I shared with you very beautiful, unique, fundamental designs. It's are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. You will enjoy my videos because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other. So friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your socials personality which you know have that, and hopefully you will begin different ideas. Subscribe my channel and like my ideas. Hopefully you will begin different type of great ideas. You will be enjoying very beautiful curtain. Are very unique and elegant part of your society, and you will begin different type of thinking ideas because it's are very attractive design ideas. Hopefully you will be seeming that's what would I shared with you, new and great Cyrus ideas. So friend, you will enjoy these rarely substances. These are very compacted designs, and hopefully you will enjoy my ideas. It's very beautiful to each other. Kindly friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas because it's are very beautiful, unique designs ideas related to the crochet pattern. Hopefully you will begin different ideas and you will be enjoy my authentic ideas. So friend, like this video.